So here we are on day 2 of our Normandy trip, and compared to yesterday's howling wind and rain, this is a glorious sunny spring morning, and we're slowly making our way down to Carentan, one of the scenes of lots of fighting on D-Day, made famous by Band of Brothers, of course. So, how did this adventure all start? Well, yesterday morning we caught the ferry from Poole in Dorset over to Cherbourg in France, and then spent the day slowly going down to Saint-Mère-Église, where we stopped for the night. And today we're cycling from Saint-Mère-Église over to the Omaha beaches and staying nearby. And my sort of adventure is one where you stop at a hotel for the night, not a tent and not a bivvy bag. How about you? Do you go on little trips on your bike? Do you camp, or do you hotel it? But today is gorgeous compared to yesterday when it was gale force winds and pretty wet. Here we are on the D-Day beach of Utah Beach. It's a bit stormier than we thought it was going to be today, but it's always an adventure. One thing it is nice to do, I enjoy about these little trips, is you can completely forget numbers and things like that. All you need to worry about is where you're going and how many miles it is to your destination. And it's a lovely way of spending a couple of days. Well, it certainly is when the weather's decent like this. And it's nice to be able to stop, see places, take photos and do all those sorts of things without thinking about your average speed or anything like that. Right, just got to catch Pete up, who's up ahead. So here we are at the end of day 2 at Aramonch Beach. And you can still see the signs of the Mulberry Harbour out to sea. So this is day 3 of our trip. We're riding from just north of Aramonch over to Pegasus Bridge near Wistream. And we've been cycling in this glorious countryside, and today the weather is beautiful. Another cool start, but warming up. One of the things I love about riding in France and in Europe is this sort of infrastructure for cyclists. Beautiful bike path next to the main road, but providing a really nice, safe and good quality route. So if you've ever done, or are you thinking of doing a micro adventure like this, you know, it's nothing out of the ordinary for a lot of people, but it is a really nice way of enjoying cycling and keeping fit by just doing a few days away like this. So here we are on the station at Bayeux, because we're going to be taking a shortcut due to the weather that's coming in. It's like storm force winds and pouring rain, so we're taking a shortcut of catching the train back to Cherbourg and then back to England. And so our trip is over, but we've had a great 4 or 5 days. It's been fantastic riding in France. Such good infrastructure, cycle paths, beautiful places to cycle. We've really enjoyed it. So have you done a trip like this? Do you think this is what cycling should all be about, rather than racing, performance and numbers? Just enjoying cycling, the freedom of it, being able to go wherever you like? Don't forget to drop that in the comments below. One of the benefits of this sort of riding is that you can just do whatever you want. There's no schedule, you don't have to do anything. It's just exploring and, in a way, doing what riding was always meant to be, just a way of getting about and exploring and transporting yourself across the countryside or to different places. Hope you found the video interesting and useful, and until next time, bye for now.